Well, 38 villages as per our record, which are ahead of, within the 150 yards. Zero line, dot on the zero line, there could be.
It's within 150.
These 38 villages are within 150 yards, so there could be few which are just touching the border. Yes, that much I can say कि our efforts are on, and you may get news and sometimes, because this process takes long time. Sometimes it is very easily convinced that person and he is ready to come. Sometimes he is not convinced that much and it takes time. So our efforts are on.
2021 has been a successful year for Meghalaya Frontier. Meghalaya Frontier has seized smuggled goods of more than 39.47 crore, which include 3,267 cattle, narcotics, dry peas, and other miscellaneous items.
We can provide you later how many, even we have the list, we can give you the names and or villages, their locations.
So what is the status of these 38 villages?
So, no, that is what I told you, that cases are pending with the Bangladesh government and we are waiting for the concurrence. So once concurrence is received, then it is realigned, the fence will be realigned and the fence will be erected as per the concurrence.
Really fence. So will there be any system that there will be a gate, like what you mentioned, so that this elephant, at this time, they will at least cross to Bangladesh or come to India?
No, if we came to know, normally we open the gate. Gates are there. Gates are as per the instruction. Gates at every 1 kilometer you will find one gate. Even people, if they want to go and do the agriculture part ahead of fence, they are allowed. So gates are there, but you know, animal may not follow all the rules and regulations. Actually, you know, as far as international norms are concerned, so no construction work or defense work can be undertaken within 150 yards from international border. Neither we can take nor they can take on their side. So following those norms, the fence is erected at 150 yards. So there are places all over along the Bangladesh border where people are residing within the 150 yards. So normally in those areas we have two options: either we can resettle them beyond 150 yards, or with the concurrence of Bangladesh we can erect fence within 150 yards. So those cases have been taken with the Bangladesh. If we got concurrence from there, then we can do the fencing ahead of fence. Recently concluded a 3-day operation in which the driving lessons were checked. So basically, you know, there is a app, Parivahan app, which gives you the detail if you feed just the number. So by that app we are checking the authenticity of the drivers and their licenses, and if we found somebody, so police and RTO is there, we hand over to them. No, fencing wherever it has been approved, there has been continuing, and where the land is available, state has given the land, the work has been already allotted, the work is going on there.
BSF has been securing Meghalaya's international border since its inception. BSF had also played a vital role in the liberation war of Bangladesh, but Meghalaya frontier as it was carved from Assam and Meghalaya frontier on 1st October 2011. This frontier is manning 444 kilometer stretch of international border with Bangladesh. The entire area of responsibility is divided into 3 sectors, namely Tura, Shillong and Jawai, having 3 battalions in each sector. Tough terrain, unfenced patch elephant corridor, and heavy rain in the Meghalaya state sometimes provide challenges to the troops, but overcoming these challenges have now become habit and routine of BSF. Cattle smuggling, transborder crimes, IIG's movement, infiltration through unfenced patch are some main issues which are being taken care of. Troops of Meghalaya, BSF Meghalaya leaves no stone unturned to make the border safe and tranquil. Despite prevailing COVID situation and tough terrain, national security has never been compromised. Let's have a glance on some operational achievements made by BSF during 2021.